Toronto excels in many areas, but one of its most impressive strengths often goes unnoticed: the city's dynamic food scene. That's just part of the Canadian way, but Toronto's top restaurants are more than ready to impress anyone willing to explore. As Canada's largest and most diverse city, Toronto's culinary culture reflects its multicultural identity in every bite. Known as the Six, Toronto is an exciting destination where lively pubs sit beside relaxing spas, perfect for recharging after a long night out. When it comes to dinner, the city's best restaurants don't just fill your stomach. They create memorable experiences that fuel you for even more adventures. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 10 places to have dinner in Toronto, Canada. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch till the end to get complete details on the best dinner spots in Toronto. Number 10. Assembly Chef's Hall. If choosing between lunch and dinner feels impossible, Assembly Chef's Hall is the perfect solution. This chef-driven food hall brings together an impressive lineup of local culinary talent under one roof. Home to pop-ups and permanent stalls from some of Toronto's most innovative chefs, the space offers an energetic and eclectic atmosphere. Diners can sample everything from hand-pulled noodles and wood-fired pizzas to refined omakase-style Japanese dishes. With so many tempting options, deciding what to eat may be the hardest part of your visit. Number 9. Chiado Chiado is a sleek and contemporary restaurant specializing in what its founder, Chef Albino Silva, calls advanced Portuguese cuisine. Ideal for celebrations, important events, or simply indulging in refined cooking, Chiado focuses on premium ingredients and expert preparation. Fresh seafood is flown in daily from the Azores and presented tableside so guests can choose their preferred catch. While seafood takes center stage, the land-based dishes are equally impressive. Be sure to save room for dessert. It's well worth it. Number 8. Fat Pasha. Once described as serving Middle Eastern bubby food, Fat Pasha delivers comforting flavors with a modern twist by Chef Anthony Rose. The menu shines with dishes like juicy chicken shawarma and whole-roasted cauliflower topped with tahini, halloumi, and pomegranate seeds. The atmosphere is lively, warm, and welcoming, perfect for gathering with friends, sharing plates, or enjoying individual meals. Whether it's brunch, lunch, or dinner, Fat Pasha offers hearty, soul-warming food in a space that feels like a second home. Number 7. Badifol. Originally an East End favorite and now located in Toronto's second Chinatown, Badifol is a charming French bistro that has delighted diners for over a decade. Guests return time and again for classic dishes like steak frite, pâté, and other bistro staples. One standout dessert is the Grand Marnier soufflé, a must-try. Often referred to as a best-kept secret, Badifol is ideal for a relaxed dinner with friends or a casual drink during their popular 5 a sept happy hour. Number 6. Black Camel. Since opening in 2004, Black Camel has earned a loyal following for serving some of the best sandwiches in the city. The menu is small and straightforward, but every item is executed to perfection. This upscale Rosedale spot offers limited seating, and tables fill up quickly. On nice days, many guests opt to enjoy their food at the park just across the street. From the slow-roasted 5-day brisket to one of Toronto's best BLTs, everything is elevated by house-made sauces and freshly baked bread from local bakeries. Number 5. Patois. Named after Jamaica's national language, patois is best described by chef-owner Craig Wong as Caribbean meets Asian soul food. The restaurant feels like a lively beach party in Toronto's West End, complete with energetic music, colorful decor, inventive cocktails, and a festive crowd. The jerk chicken is among the best in the city, while dishes like crispy fried cauliflower and Chinese-inspired pineapple bun burgers surprise even meat lovers. Incredible flavors paired with a party-like atmosphere make Patois a must-visit. Number 4. Byblos. Byblos offers a modern take on Eastern Mediterranean cuisine, blending coastal influences with contemporary cooking techniques. The menu is designed for sharing, featuring beautifully crafted family-style dishes. One standout is the whole-grilled branzino, seasoned with chermoula and served with saffron toum, watercress, and jewel-like barberry rice. The restaurant spans 2 levels, a relaxed lounge downstairs and an intimate, dimly lit dining room upstairs, complete with cozy corners perfect for a romantic dinner. Number 3. Edelis. Owned by a husband and wife team, Edelis in King West delivers an experience that feels like dining in someone's home, if that home served exquisite 5- or 7-course tasting menus. The menu is seasonal and can be customized to suit dietary preferences. With a strong focus on seafood, locally sourced ingredients, and warm hospitality, Edelis consistently earns spots on national best restaurant lists. While dishes evolve with the seasons, the restaurant's commitment to community and genuine service remains unchanged. The wine and champagne selection is equally impressive. Number 2. Scaramouche Restaurant Pasta Bar and Grill. Located in Midtown near Casa Loma, Scaramouche operates as 2 distinct dining experiences within one space. Guests can choose refined fine dining or a more relaxed setting at the pasta bar and grill. Both offer breathtaking city views paired with exceptional cuisine. Open for more than 30 years, Scaramouche continues to draw both locals and visitors thanks to its elegant yet approachable menu, attentive service, free valet parking, and unforgettable skyline views. And of course, the food remains the true star. Number 1. Alo Restaurant. As the elevator doors open to reveal a polished bronze bar atop a beautifully restored heritage building at Queen and Spadina, you might think you've stepped into London or New York. Michelin-starred chef Patrick Chris delivers tasting menus that are both visually stunning and technically flawless. Alo is the perfect choice for special celebrations or romantic evenings, offering an unforgettable fine dining experience. If reservations are hard to secure, consider visiting the more casual sister restaurant, Alouette, located downstairs. These were the top 10 places to have dinner in Toronto, Canada. Let us know in the comments what you think of these restaurants. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more food and travel content.